and intrinsic muscles of the tongue. On the right side, are you seeing here? And you are having extrinsic and intrinsic muscles on the left side. Nucleus, upper motor neuron, right, left, extrinsic muscles, extrinsic and intrinsic muscles,
of the tongue.
all, but I am drawing right genioglossus, genioglossus separately and left genioglossus separately. Okay, so now all extrinsic and intrinsic with genioglossus, all extrinsic and intrinsic with genioglossus on the left side and right side. Okay, then you are having the tongue here. Okay, you are having tongue here. Okay, again the tongue is having right side and tongue is having left side. So on this side everything is right, on this side everything is left. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now you see the upper motor neuron on the right side. It supplies the extrinsic muscles and it also supplies the intrinsic muscles on the same side, and also it supplies extrinsic muscles and can you give me other pen? It supplies the extrinsic muscles of the on the other side as well. Okay, so we can say that the extrinsic muscles and intrinsic muscles on both the sides are supplied by. Similarly, this will supply the extrinsic muscles as well as the intrinsic muscles, and this will also supply extrinsic muscles and intrinsic muscles. Okay, so now what happens? This right-sided upper motor neuron, so far as the genioglossus is concerned, okay, it only supplies the opposite genioglossus. Okay, and this belongs to the left side. Okay, similarly this sided will supply the genioglossus
The right side.
for this side, and then this will supply the genioglossus on
This is all
the
the
right side.
upper neuron.
This is upper neuron. Behavior of the upper neuron is that the upper neuron of one side supplies same sided extrinsic and intrinsic muscles, but opposite sided genioglossus.
Why the
Okay.
genioglossus?
Same side as well as the other sided extrinsic and intrinsic genioglossus.
Supply both.
Okay, so this nucleus will supply right and left sided extrinsic and intrinsic muscles. Similarly, this nucleus will supply right and left sided extrinsic and intrinsic. Okay, but the genioglossus is different.
Why?
This genioglossus only takes fibers from the opposite nucleus and then it will supply this
Is
muscle.
it extrinsic or
Similarly,
intrinsic muscle?
This genioglossus is extrinsic muscle, one of the extrinsic muscles. This is only one exception, that it has different way of supply. So this right genioglossus is supplied from the left. So right genioglossus is present in the right side of the tongue. This is present in the tongue, okay? And the left genioglossus is supplied by the
Right.
right.
Okay.
Now suppose there is damage to this nucleus. Now you tell me, will there be effect? Leave the genioglossus. Other extrinsic and intrinsic muscles of the
No,
tongue,
it won't
No
be
effect.
affected.
will these will be affected?
No.
No. Why? Because it is
Supplied by
served
the
by other. Similarly, will these will be affected?
No.
Except No, because These are damaged, but this is supplying it.
Okay.
Okay, so in the upper motor neuron lesion, all the extrinsic muscles plus intrinsic muscles of right side plus left side, right plus left side, no effect. No effect means no paralysis. This is clear.
Yeah.
Yes.
And in the same upper motor neuron damage, what will be the effect on the genioglasses? If it is damage on the right upper motor neuron nucleus, then which genioglasses is paralyzed?
Left.
The left.
In genioglasses, left will be affected
And if the left
and
affected,
right will be
Okay. Fine.
right will be.
fine.
See,
Working.
this is your left genioglasses. If this is your left genioglasses. Now this left genioglasses is only supplied by the right upper motor neuron nucleus. So when this is damaged, so will this left be affected, paralyzed or not?
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah,
paralyzed.
Yes, it will be. So I have written left genioglasses will be affected, but what about the right genioglasses?
No.
Not affected.
No paralysis.
No effect on the right. This is upper motor neuron.
Okay.
Now let us see the lower motor
It's the
neuron.
opposite.
In lower motor neuron, what happens? This upper motor neuron is going to the nucleus. This is your lower motor neuron here, lower motor neuron here. Okay, lower motor
There's
neuron
two
here.
lower?
There's
Four.
one nucleus for. This is your nucleus of the hypoglossal nerve,
Hypoglossal.
which is located in medulla oblongata. Okay, while upper motor neuron is located in cerebral cortex. Okay, right. So this, which I am showing crossing, this is, these fibers are synapsing with the hypoglossal nucleus. Okay. Now from here, the hypoglossal nucleus, what is happening? This same sided hypoglossal nucleus, this will go to this tongue, this genioglossus. Okay, this will go,
The lower, this one.
the hypoglossal nucleus will go to this genioglossus of the same side. Similarly, the hypoglossal nucleus of this will go to the same sided nucleus.
So the lower will supply
So
only
these
one
are
side.
not now crossed. Now suppose this lower motor neuron is damaged. Okay. Suppose this lower motor neuron. I have placed 1, 2, 3 dots, but you just imagine there is only one dot for all the three. Similarly, one dot for all the three. Okay. So suppose
One
thi-
hypoglossal.
suppose this is damaged. Okay, this is damaged on the right side. Okay, now what will happen to the extrinsic and intrinsic muscles and the genioglossus
All will
of
be
the
All
right?
paralyzed.
All will be affected.
At the same side.
All extrinsic, all intrinsic, plus the right sided genioglossus, these will be affected.
Okay. At the same
you
side,
understand?
right?
The same side.
Okay.
Okay. Similarly, if you damage this sided, all will be affected. Now, this is one story that you are having upper motor neuron, lower motor neuron. In upper, you have no effect on the extrinsic except the genio of the opposite is affected. And here, all are being affected. Now, we come to the deviation of the tongue. Now suppose it is right lower nucleus, this is damaged. So that means which genioglossus is damaged? This sided or this sided?
This.
This sided. It means this side is normal.
Normal. Yeah.
Okay. Now you ask this patient to take the tongue out. Where will be the tongue be deviated?
What's the paralyzed one? This one?
Yeah, it will be
It will
deviated
be,
like
the-
like this. Okay,
Yeah.
because this is
One
now
to move
affected.
this one and
Yeah.
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 Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is now, in case this is right sided, here it is also right sided. Now here which genioglossus is affected?
The left.
The left.
This side. So now the left is left genioglossus is gone. But what about the right? Right is okay.
Yes.
So you ask the patient to to take the tongue out. Now where will tongue protrude?
Right.
It will be
Right.
normally the tongue is going to normal action of the genioglossus is when both the genioglossus contract, they pull the tongue in the center. But when only one side contracts, it will pull the tongue here. When this side contracts, it will pull the tongue
Yeah.
on this side. So that means now here, since there is a damage on this right side, so left-sided genioglossus is normal. So if you ask to take the tongue out, then tongue will go here or here. It will go
There.
there.
Yeah.
So that is the difference between.
And this in case of the lower neuron, like.
yeah, lower neuron.
And what's the difference between lower and upper?
And then physically you will see that any side which is paralyzed will be weaker, it will be thinner, and so that means that sided muscle is not working, the other sided muscle is not. So this is how the paralysis.
What's the difference between upper and lower neurons?
Upper motor neurons are located at the surface of the brain. Lower motor neurons of the cranial nerves are located in the medulla oblongata. That's the difference. From lower, the proper nerve starts. That means the hypoglossal nerve will start from medulla, not from the cortex. From cortex, neuron will send their axons to the lower motor neurons.
All the
There will
cranial
be
nerves?
synapse. All the cranial nerves is like that.
Will we take the nervous system later?
You will be having nervous system lectures, yes.